Hey there, fellow creators. Welcome back to Ramamrud Architecture, where we delve deep into the world of digital art and design. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey to master the art of realism in V-Ray rendering. I'm Nikhil Solanki, and I'm thrilled to be your guide through this immersive experience. Before we dive in, let's take a quick look at what we'll be covering in this video. We'll explore the fundamental aspects of rendering that contribute to lifelike results: lighting, materials, textures, camera settings, rendering configurations, and post-processing techniques. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have the tools and knowledge to elevate your renders to new levels of realism. Let's kick things off with lighting, the cornerstone of realistic rendering. Lighting not only illuminates your scene but also sets the mood and enhances the visual appeal. In V-Ray, we have a plethora of options, from V-Ray lights to HDRIs. I'll show you how to leverage these tools to create naturalistic lighting that breathes life into your scenes. Next up, we'll delve into materials and textures, the building blocks of realism. Whether it's wood, metal, or fabric, the right material and texture can make or break your render. I'll demonstrate how to craft and apply realistic materials in V-Ray, along with techniques for texture mapping and scaling to ensure accuracy and authenticity. Now, let's shift our focus to the camera settings. Just like in photography, the camera plays a pivotal role in capturing the essence of your scene. We'll explore exposure, focal length, and depth of field adjustments to achieve cinematic results. Additionally, I'll share composition techniques to elevate the visual impact of your renders. Rendering settings, a crucial yet often overlooked aspect of the rendering process. Optimizing your render settings in V-Ray can significantly impact the quality and efficiency of your output. I'll walk you through the intricacies of V-Ray's render settings, striking the perfect balance between realism and render times. After rendering comes post-processing, the final polish that brings your renders to life. Whether it's fine-tuning colors, adding depth, or compositing elements, post-processing can elevate your renders from good to great. I'll share my favorite post-processing techniques using tools like Adobe Photoshop or V-Ray's built-in tools. Before we wrap up, let's explore some insider tips and tricks to take your renders to the next level. From avoiding common pitfalls to pushing the boundaries of creativity, these nuggets of wisdom will serve as your secret sauce for realism in V-Ray. And there you have it, folks, the ultimate guide to mastering realism in V-Ray rendering. By mastering the interplay of lighting, materials, camera settings, rendering configurations, and post-processing techniques, you'll unlock a world of possibilities in digital art and design. So go ahead, unleash your creativity, and let's make magic together. Thank you for joining me on this enlightening journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on future tutorials. Feel free to leave a comment below with your thoughts, questions, or suggestions for future topics. Until next time, happy rendering, and may your creations always be as vivid as your imagination.